time out along here. Leave them for a couple of hours and check them.
Yep.
All the head shakes.
Yeah, yep.
Going nuts. These little blades just got to go easy on fish.
Yep.
Just tiny little hooks, so just let them fight. Fighting like a snapper almost. Right, little trevally. Little tea leaf trevally. Must be some bait around. $7 meters now. It's a bit of a hole through here. See the old one near him there? Trying to steal the food. Keep going, you'll probably get more. It's not a bad sized tailor. Bring him around this side. They don't give up, these guys, they just go so hard.
Yep.
Nah, they're painful. Especially on light tackle. Heavier stuff, you just drag them in, but yeah, they don't give up. Gotta be very lucky not to get bitten off too. They're very good at throwing hooks too. Half the time at least they get off. It's a really nice tailor. Oh, come here. What a painful, you guys. Painful fish. You finished yet? Far out. Jeez. They're a pain. Get him out of the net, otherwise they start biting holes in the net. Hey. Oh, bite. Come on. So those teeth.
Yeah,
Like razor blades, eh? Might be close.
Yep.
It's got to not fit in those grooves to be legal. Yeah, he's legal. Keep him.
Is he just?
Yeah, they don't. These guys don't get that big, but they're delicious bits of meat in there.
Yeah, yeah.
Keep any legal ones. Check them in the esky soon. Grab this little net. Yeah. Usually the whiting, they'll stay down. The other ones come to the surface pretty quick. A little bit of weight to it.
Yeah, it does, yeah. It must be getting tired now.
Oh, surely. It's fighting the tide.
Yeah, it's fighting the tide.
Coming around this side. Yeah, follow him around if he comes around. Get this out of the way. Staying down low.
Yeah.
That's Taiwan.
Oh.
Yeah. Brim's cousin. They're good eating if you want to eat any.
Yeah.
Can keep them. There's lots of them. Usually when you start to get this sort of stuff, you're in the right area.
Yeah,
for the whiting too, so keep at it for a while, yeah?
Yep.
There we go.
Look at that. Cheers, mate. Thank you.
No worries. Not a big one, but it's a whiting. It's a very wriggly bite.
Yeah.
Legal. They get a lot bigger than that here. Oh well. Hopefully that's a good sign.
Good size whiting?
It's not bad.
So,
Yeah, high 20s sort of thing. School size. Yeah. That rod's getting a bite too. So. And that one, all 4 rods.
all 4 rods, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a brim. There you go. There you go, grab that one. I'll sort this one out. Oh, another one on here. 3 in a row. Bit small, that brim. They often spawn at the hook, but I'll just get this one and I'll help you. And then one time too, just keep the rods mostly just still and just wind. That's it. Keep it up a bit. So using that bend of the rod to tie them out and just keep winding. I don't think this is a brim. I think it's got a bit of weight to it. That one. Oh, that's what I was talking about. Pony fish. Once you find them, you're in pretty dirty water.
Yeah, might need some pliers for this one.
Yeah, I'll sort it out in a second. Another pony fish here.
Oh, pony.
That's the ones I was talking about.
Yeah.
And they can be real annoying fish, but getting close to where the big schools of other fish are if you find them.
Yep.
Fighting like a brim. Oh, whiting. That's better. That's what we want. Should be more of that now. Wee, lovely, eh? Good fish. Staying down low. I'm hoping it's a whiting. Yeah, it is. They're coming on the chew. Beautiful. Good old pony. Get off. Tough mouths on these things. Staying down lower. There's whiting, they go straight down. I reckon it could be. Yes, whiting. Not huge, but it's a whiting. That's what I want to see. That's a pretty aggressive take. Now we're firing up. That inside's good, isn't it? 23.
23,
Yeah. That's 26.
Telling you, they're all under the dock.
Imagine if you lived there. You
Yeah,
could just like catch as much fish as you want,
Yeah,
eh?
exactly.
No one fishes. Amazing. What is it? Staying down low. I hope it's a good whiting. It is. It's a nice whiting. Nothing wrong with that. Beautiful. Good whiting. Keep doing what you're doing, yeah. So if you find something that works, don't stop. I love swans.
You like swans?
Oh, I love them.
Yeah.
No, they're no trouble, eh? It's... Oh yeah, I love that whistling sound that babies make.
Yeah.
Cutting with the tide. There's another one. Another one there. There you go. Double hook up. Ah, pony. Yeah. Oh, the whiting will be amongst them. They're sitting there. Another pony. Already come to the surface. Weed a few out and we'll get to the whiting hopefully.
Yeah.
Yep, another pony. Skipping across the surface. Thanks. Oh, there's got to be some whiting around
Has
this.
anyone ever tried?
Didn't take like a whiting, but staying a bit lower than a pony, yeah, that's always a good sign when you don't see them. No, there it is, brim.
size would you say is a good size for an eating brim?
Around 30.
30, yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to try some?
Yeah, if that's like,
If it's legal, I'll keep it. Yeah.
yeah.
Smaller, this size is probably alright if it's legal. A bit more weight to it. Bigger brim or what? Soon find out. Oh, this one's on. There you go. Got that one. Ah, pony. Yep.
They're annoying.
They get it really annoying, yeah.
Is it only when the water's dirty?
Yeah. Oh, no way. Pony. Yeah.
So where do they go when the water's
I don't know, I think like way upriver, like the top of the salt water, right upstream, because as soon as it's clear, they're gone.
Yeah.
Second it's rain, they come down. Must get flushed down by like heavy rain. Pony. He's going around the back of the boat. Just keep your rod down low. No, it's not a stingray. Got more kick than that. Oh, brim. Yeah, he's just sitting there, eh? Good old Brimbo.
What I might say,
Bend that hook around again, it's just a bit straightened.
having a big metal like that, huh?
Yeah. Oh, another one there. Come on.
that left one there.
Oh, trying to go. Brim. At least it's not a pony. Taiwan, I should say. Oh, he wants to go. Gonna go. Taiwan. Bit small. Thanks. Oh, some fish here at least. See some bites again.
Yeah.
Oh, another Taiwan. Oh, brim. Taiwan's cousin. Little brim. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Took like a brim. Yep. Same as the last one. Thanks.
Oh,
Take 3.
Oh, it's around the.
Wrapped around the handle. Ah, same.
Same thing.
All similar size.
Yeah.
Or rats. She didn't swallow it.
Yeah.
Oh, it bit me, little schmuck. It got strong jaws. Yeah,
I can feel
full,
it through the rope, yeah.
full of crabs.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, something. Two males, yeah. That's a nice one. I reckon this one's legal, that one's not.
Just under.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh.
So what are these?
These are the blue swimmers.
Blue swimmers,
yeah,
yeah.
they're beautiful.
How do you do them, like cooking wise?
I just boil them in salt water for like eight
yep.
minutes, so that's it.
Yep.
And then let them cool down, like run them under cold water and let them cool, and then clean them, and then put them in the fridge for a while.
Yep.
And they're just beautiful.
Yep. How long do you put them in the fridge? Do you reckon?
Oh, just till they're cold. That's
They're
it.
cold?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Number 3, 2 to go. Come on, crabs, come on in. Have that. See if any kitty can extend his lead.
Yeah. If I win this, it means I win the whole thing.
No. If I tell Mum, my mum will.
Oh, there's a fish in there. And a couple of crabs. Small though.
Got a brim.
Yeah, of course. Pigs. Yeah. I don't think so. I'll check. Bloody brim. No.
That's probably what.
You can't answer.
1, 2 little ones. Little, eh? At least we've got 2 legal. Yeah.
You want some?
Okay. Way too small.
Yeah. Come on, boys. Come on. Get out. Whole pot of them, eh?
Yeah, whole pod.
Yeah. Hello. I love hearing that sound.
Yeah, I love the sound. That's
Gold, eh? Looking for fish too.
Yeah. They whales no fish.
Yeah. They do sometimes
Yeah.
when they're close. Just go real quiet. Hey, little buddies. Quite curious about us. I know.
Yeah, they're all.
They spend their whole lives inshore, so they're
Yeah.
going to be around things that are speeding. They're pretty chilled out. They don't worry about anything.
I don't know if it's, like you were saying, Katie, I don't know if there's 2 pods because there's that one there. There's
Yeah.
some over there.
Yeah. Yeah, some over there too.
Yeah.
Heaps of them.